What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Taylor X. I wanted to get on here and break down some numbers with y'all and show you that you actually will save money by choosing to cloth diaper versus disposable diapers. Now, I made a post the other day and it said that me personally, I recommend you have about 70 cloth diapers on hand. Now, that's just me personally because I'm thinking about my situation. I go to the laundromat once a week. So I'm not trying to be going to extra trips to the laundromat. So I'm thinking if I'm using at least 10 diapers a day, 70 diapers minimum, 70 diapers. So I know this seems like a lot, right? But disposable diapers, you're still going to be using about on average at least 8 diapers a day. So if you think about it, let's pull our calculators out now. If you think about it, we got 8 diapers a day, times that by 30 days in a month. That's 240 diapers in a month. Now, buying disposable diapers, even if you get a box, that's going to give you, what comes in a box? Like 90 diapers? We'll say 100. 100 diapers come in a box. So that means you're going to need at least 2.5 boxes of diapers a month. So for disposable diapers on average is about $30 a box. You need 2.5 boxes a month. That's $75. Now we got $75 a month, and we're gonna multiply that by how many months is your baby gonna be in diapers? We know for sure at least 2 years, right? But with disposable diapers, it's sometimes a little bit longer than that. Okay, so we're gonna put in 30 months. That's 2.5 years if your baby's potty trained by that time. So $75 times 30 months of buying these diapers, that's going to give you $2,250. That's $2,250. Now let's do cloth diapering. Let's say your stash is 70 diapers. 70 diapers. And I'm telling you, that's all you need for the 2.5 years. So on average, you're going to spend, and this is me rounding up, including washing and accessories and everything. So I will say on average, you're going to spend about $20 a diaper. 70 times 20, 1,400. That's 1,400. So that means you're saving $1,000 by cloth diapering. Now, that's for your first baby. If you have another baby, that's even more money saved because you still have your 70 diapers. So either way, 70 diapers, 100 cloth diapers, you're still going to save money by cloth diapering. Okay? And thank y'all for doing these numbers with me. Peace.